Good morning YouTube family, got a special video planned. A lot of people have been asking me, where do I stay in Ghana? Do we rent? Did we buy? So I thought the best way to answer that is to do a house tour. I haven't done one in over a year, so maybe some things have changed. We rent here in Accra, Ghana. I think the sale price for this property ranges between 1.2 to 1.4 million USD. So I thought, why not show you guys? You guys have been so great. And instead of starting at the bottom and working my way up, I'll start at the top and work my way down. It is 3 floors, got a whole bunch of bedrooms and everything. So come with me, we'll start in my room. This is my room. As you can see, also there's no top lighting in the house. All of it is vertical, horizontal lighting. All massive cupboards, massive windows to a lot of natural lighting. Then if you come with me, all the bathrooms don't have windows, so they have extractor fans. But there's granite from the bottom all the way to the top. And if we come check the showers out, they have these massive showers that you can stand in, do push-ups in, do sit-ups in, do pretty much everything you want. And then there's 3 bedrooms on the top floor. So if we carry on walking here, we'll walk into the second bedroom that is separated by a dividing door. So if me and my brother want some just like chill time, we can close that out. But you come in here, a very similar setup to the rest of the house, just the other room is just a lot smaller. And then if you follow me, we can see the bathroom, but nothing special about the bathroom. It's identical to the other one. You can see massive shower, 2 different options on the head there, which is awesome if you want to use it. And then also top to bottom, granite everything, really nice countertops. So let's make our way to the next room now. The next room is Kayla's bedroom, and you know Kayla's the boss of the house, so she has one of the biggest rooms. It is so lovely, this room. Aircon right above the bed, so it more flows down and into the whole room, so you get really cool when you sleep in here. Some more massive cupboards, all top lighting, no directly down lighting, which I love about how super like different and everything like that. The developer for this house, I think his name is Kwame, they call him AKA Cheddar. He's a huge developer here in Ghana. The old house we used to live in was also part of his developments. He told us to come check this out because he's his new development. So we moved in a little over a year ago, absolutely loved it here, no problems. And then if you come and look in this, we won't actually go in here. There's this, actually the house is meant to be lived in. Let's turn these lights on. One of them is here. This is also a really big bathroom. Kayla's just got stuff hanging up all over. But this one has a bath and a shower in, so multifunctional, another big basin in there. But like we said, this house is lived in, so we'll keep it like that. And then if Clayton just spins around and you see outside, me and Kayla share adjacent balconies that go throughout. And then that pretty much concludes the top floor. So we'll turn these lights off and then make our way down to the second floor. All the flooring in the house on the stairs is like dark wood. They're not actually wood, but they do look like wood. You can see even with the finishes and that, which is super cool, a really nice touch. And then white granite flooring throughout the rest of the house. This is the main room. We still haven't really figured out what to put in the other area because it's a really big room. We were thinking maybe a little lounge, a coffee station, something like that. But we got the bed there. We got this area here. I had to actually pick up all the cats' toys because the cats rule this house. They had toys everywhere. So we'll make our way here. And this is probably my favorite of the whole house, is this bathroom. The color of it and everything I absolutely love. It's massive, absolutely massive. You can see the color of the granite. Then this one has a shower option here, which hardly gets used. And then the massive bath also, but it doesn't stop there. A really other cool feature of this house. You carry on walking, you have a massive walk-in closet. I'm sorry if the light's becoming a little bit oversaturated in this place, but it's a massive whole bunch of cupboards, really nice, all shoes out. You can get your outfits ready here in the evenings. And a lot of you, if you watch my vlogs, you'd see this area. This is probably our most utilized area in the whole house. If you take a step out here, you can see our towels already out here. We've got the towels out, we've got the lounges. We've got this like cool, weird chair that we bought here in Ghana. The cats probably use it more than we do, but it's really nice if you just want to sit here. But it is boiling hot today. So this is what makes up majority of the area on the second floor. And then there's one more room which can also be used as an office, a studio, an editing station, a workroom. Pretty much you can choose whichever you want to use it for. But it's another massive room, and if Clayton comes here and spins around, you can see these shelves, we just use them pretty much for photos and everything. If we need to stack stuff like laptops and that, the cats utilize them also. But that's on this room. Fire hydrants throughout the whole house, just because it's a safety precaution. Then we make our way down to the bottom floor. Never done it this way, I just thought why not try something different, try and get you guys some different content. Then we come down here, and straight away you'll see two different color lounge suites. So this means we have one lounge, what we use as a TV lounge. Now obviously, you can tell from the name if we want to watch TV. What we don't do a lot of, we mainly use this for sporting events. We'll come sit here, have a few drinks, and just enjoy it. And then this lounge gets utilized a lot, especially when our mom comes home from work. We come and sit down here, chat with them, and this is more of our formal lounge. Then if you walk around this way with me, this is our massive door, really big door. That is the entrance door and exit doorway. Goes up to where the car park is. And another divide. So if you have visitors, you don't want them coming into the kitchen where you're doing work, you can just close this off and it separates house. I think these, some people might find these unnecessary, but it's a really nice feature to just put in the house that if you need it, it is available to you. Then one more bathroom. The lights will come on. It's just another basin, another toilet, and this is more for a guest bathroom when they come. Then through here, we have the garage, a really big garage. We have an extra double fridge just in case we need some more drinks and everything there. Then another room at the back just with like a tumble dryer, washing rack, and everything like that. And then a back door entrance onto a little courtyard, garden area, houses. All have these in to talk to the guards, and if the guards are trying to get a hold of us, we can use them. And if Clayton just comes and swivels around this way, this is our kitchen. It is a little bit underused, I would say, this area here, because my mom and sister really love eating the fruits that we can get up the road and all of that. So we don't utilize the actual cooking, it's mostly salads and everything like that. But a really nice area. Some people put benches here, chairs here to sit and eat. We haven't done that yet, but you can see the granite countertops, all the appliances that match in the pink, which is the theme we're going for. This is my cupboard that I have to try and stay away from because this is the snack cupboard and it's just filled with snacks all the time, but we're trying to stay healthy. We'll make our way this way. There's an outside area. Kayla's just sitting outside. This is where the cats are playing. This is their favorite tree. So it's not too long, maybe 15 to 20 meters and 5 meters wide, and that's just the outside area. And then here we have the dining room. We had to change these chairs because we had really nice leather chairs in here, but the cats just clawed it and destroyed them. So we got rid of them and bought some locally made, some wooden and this like mesh type grass material. And then if we carry on walking here, this is just our under room storage where we have anything from skateboards to blow up pool things, our bags and everything in there. And then yeah, that'll pretty much be the house tour. There is a communal swimming pool which is around 20 meters long. Can get 4 or 5 people swimming in there. That's, if you see the videos, you'll see that. There's another upstairs area that has a gym, some treadmills, some spinning bikes, some seated bikes. They have a chest press, lat pull down, leg extension in one, and then another thing which has all like biceps, chest press, like all of the actual individual weights. And then downstairs there are showers and toilets and that for you guys to use. If you have guests there, there's also another area underneath there which considers as a bar if you want to just make some drinks, make some food and enjoy it. But if you guys are new, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.